Hi, I'm Devon. I'm the Director of Policy and Practice, and I wanted to record a short message on the changes announced to the winter fuel payment, and in particular, how you can help residents most heavily impacted by these changes. So there's two groups of households that Policy and Practice is particularly concerned about. The first is the over 850,000 pensioners who are eligible for pension credit but missing out, which means they're missing out on over £3,000 worth of pension credit support, but also they're going to be missing out on the winter fuel payment as well unless they claim before the 21st of December deadline. um, the second is a group of pensioners who kind of through in their working life saving for an occupational pension means their incomes are just above the pension credit threshold. And that means they're not eligible to claim pension credit, but not by so much that they'll be worse off by missing out on pension credit in the winter fuel payment. So we estimate there are around 130,000 pensioners with annual incomes only £500 above the threshold to claim pension credit. And obviously you can push that threshold higher and capture more pensioners through that. There are two ways in which I think local authorities can support. So the first one is identifying pensioners claiming housing benefit or council tax support who are eligible for pension credit but not currently claiming. So that's an area Policy and Practice has been helping local authorities with for many years. I know a number of those local authorities wrote to the Secretary of State this week to offer their help and support and their lessons learned in running these campaigns. And what's most interesting is local authority-led campaigns have been 3 times as effective as DWP-led campaigns. So around 1 in 3 pensioners who local authorities have been writing to have been going on to claim that support, whereas 1 in 10 of those that are written to by DWP go on to claim that support. That's because I think local authorities are more trusted because they're able to help let pensioners offer pensioners support either through welfare support teams or through referrals to Age UK or Citizens Advice and other support agencies. So, local authorities can write to pensioners and contact them directly and be more proactive in that way. And we've seen huge success there. I think the other group of people, those with incomes just above the threshold to claim pension credit, are being helped a little bit by the Household Support Fund being extended. So there's money there for local authorities to get support to pensioners who are just missing out. But again, it's about identifying who those pensioners are. And we can help local authorities identify those pensioners with incomes just above that threshold so they can get that support, Household Support Fund payments to those pensioners just missing out. And we've committed to making this data available. So each one of our clients is going to get this data, this list of pensioners missing out in September, so they can write to them and contact them and get that support to them. If you're thinking about working with us or want to learn more, we'll commit to doing everything we can to getting those letters out to you well in advance of the December 21st deadline. So even if I have to lick the stamps myself, I think it's a really important way in which you can help pensioners who are just missing out. So hopefully that's helpful. Huge thanks to the team who've been able to produce the analysis. That means we can pull these numbers out. So Firat, Jack, Miles in the team, Rory, a number of others who have helped to make this possible in a short space of time. And I think it's one of many difficult decisions I think people are going to be facing as the budget approaches. And I think the core difference is going to be how we protect those residents that most need it. And I think these are hopefully helpful examples of ways in which you can make a difference by doing just that. If you've got any questions, just let me know or email hello@policyandpractice.co.uk. Thanks a lot for listening. Take care. Bye.